Getting ready to add on to the house. This tree and these two stumps were right here. They were in the way, and we wound up putting concrete here for a footing. So they had to go. Now it's just me and a little dog and the dirt. We're gonna wind up having a couple videos. Beagle, no, Beagle, as we add on to the house. Putting in electrical boxes and things like that. Oh, Beagle's killing me. Doing little projects here and there. So, enjoy. Oh, Beagle, no. Okay, bye. She thinks she's helping. Do you think you're helping, huh? So we've got a kind of a nice quick video there as we start adding on to my house. Me and the beagle. Yeah. In our house, huh? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You can always, put a hashtag because John Cann on stuff, and then I can see what you're working on. If you've got a cool project, make sure you do that so that the beagle and I can see the neat things that you're doing. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can see all the crazy fun stuff that we are doing. Okay, bye. Say bye. Oh, sad face beagle.